Stop wasting hours of your life manually copying and pasting data from invoices, emails, and PDFs. What if you could automate that entire process in just a few clicks? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're looking at Parsio, an AI-powered document and email parser designed to eliminate manual data entry. Whether you are dealing with receipts, scanned business documents, or messy email attachments, Parsio automatically extracts structured data and sends it exactly where you need it. So how does it actually work? Parsio uses cutting-edge AI and OCR technology to read your files. Unlike older tools that force you to build complex templates for every single document layout, Parsio's AI parser can extract data automatically. They've also recently optimized their system, so the AI parser now costs just 3 credits per page, meaning you can parse 67% more documents for the same value. If you do want to set up custom templates, the process is incredibly simple. You just highlight the text you want to extract, and Parsio handles the rest. It easily extracts data from tables with a variable number of rows, handles handwritten and printed text in Latin and European languages, and parses various attachment formats like PDF, Excel, CSV, and HTML. Plus, it comes with built-in templates for popular platforms like LinkedIn and Airbnb to get you started immediately. Once your data is extracted, you need to put it to work. Parsio plays incredibly well with others. You can automatically export your parsed data into Google Sheets in real time, sync invoices and receipts directly into QuickBooks to automate your accounts payable, or send instant notifications to your team via Slack. With support for over 6,000 app integrations, it fits right into your existing workflow. Now, let's talk about feedback. Parsio claims a stellar 4.9 out of 5 rating on Capterra, trusted by over 10,000 businesses worldwide. While our independent user review data is limited today to give you a list of specific user complaints, the general consensus highlights its ease of use and affordability compared to traditional enterprise parsers. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can actually get started for free. Head over to parsio.io to set up your first parser and start saving hours of manual work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automation tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use Parsio in your business. See you in the next video.